This is the Galaxy S26. It's got a new processor, a bigger battery, a bigger screen, and a bigger price. But I can also order an Uber with my voice. This is All Things Mobile. Let's get into it. Samsung has three new phones, the base S26, the S26 Plus, and the headliner, the big one, the S26 Ultra. Now in this video, I'm just gonna focus on the S26 and Plus. If you wanna know more about the S26 Ultra, please check out my CNET pals, Abrar Alhidi's video all about it. And let's start with the biggest change to the S26 and Plus, the price. They both cost $100 more than the S25 and S25 Plus. The S26 starts at $900 and the S26 Plus at $1,100. That's $200 less than the Ultra. Wow. Now, is this because of RAM? Is this because of tariffs? I don't know, but it's a much higher price. All three phones have the same Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip for Galaxy. And that for Galaxy nomenclature means that the processor is optimized for Galaxy AI, and to quote the Samsung rep in my briefing, AI is all over the place. But let's talk design. The S26 has a new design, the S26 Plus less so. The S26's screen grew from 6.2 inches on the S25 to 6.3 inches. The phone is a hair taller and wider as a result, and that extra screen real estate makes this feel so much bigger. The S26 Plus is the same size and has the same screen as last year's S25 Plus. Both phones and the Ultra have a more unified design and are offered in the same colors: cobalt violet, white, sky blue, and black. Now the S26 also rocks a bigger battery with a 4,300 milliamp hour capacity and support for 25-watt wired charging and 15-watt wireless charging. Sadly, there are no magnets on the back of the phone to support accessories like wallets, battery packs, and stands, but Samsung told me the decision to leave magnets out was to keep the phone's design thin. Like last year, they will offer cases that support magnetic accessories. The cameras on the back of the S26 and S26 Plus are the same hardware as the S25 series, with a 50 megapixel wide, 13 megapixel ultra wide, and a 10 megapixel 3x telephoto. But it's the AI features that are really compelling on the cameras. Hey, so this is advanced selfie, and it's using AI, machine learning, to make my complexion look better, to make the texture looks better, and let my skin tones look better, even in harsh lighting like this. Let's take a look. Cool, and let's take a look here. Look at those pores, look at that texture, look at this guy, look at that facial hair. Oh yeah. There's Photo Assist. I can use Galaxy AI prompts to change my image and not just remove objects. I can add a cap to my head, I can put clothing on me, it's wild. Then there's horizontal lock, which keeps things level when you're filming a video, even if you and your phone are not. Maybe you're in a place where you're moving around and your hand is shaking, for example. Even if you turn the phone a full 360 degrees, your horizon stays completely locked. More broadly speaking, these phones offer the third generation of Galaxy AI, which has some killer conveniences. For example, there's automated app action to help tasks move forward. And there's now support for third-party apps out of the box, like Uber. Get me an Uber to San Francisco Airport. There is so much more to talk about these phones when it comes to AI and Galaxy AI, but that's all I've got time for, and now I want to hear from you. What do you think about the Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus? Are there enough new features that warrant that extra price? Also, throw your thoughts in the comments for both phones. Lastly, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more All Things Mobile, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.